Iman here from Design by Iman, and today we're here at Dashing Deloraine, and I can't wait to show you how we completely transform this beautiful space. Come take a look. Come on. When you first entered the home, there was no way to define the space besides a bulky armoire which felt awkward, as you could also see the whole space from the doorway. Now we've defined the entry by building a new wall, which also let us build custom millwork complete with a storage unit and a bench. We went with black and satin brass for the cabinetry and a wood look tile behind the bench to bring in some more natural tones. On the floor, we went with black and white tiles for a more classic look while also matching the cabinetry. Past the entry on the opposite wall, you were greeted with a bare wall with a spot for a fireplace, but it had no character. So we treated it with book-matched oversized tiles and added a fireplace to bring it all together. For the dining room, we defined the space by adding a gorgeous light fixture centered to the future dining table. The new white oak engineered hardwood floors and fresh coat of paint make the space feel so much brighter and more up to date. Now let's move on to the stairs. Originally, the stairs were fully enclosed and covered in a dated carpet. So we added wood treads to match the new flooring while opening up the wall as much as possible and using glass to close off the stairs. On the wall, we replaced the windy bookshelf with my client's vintage selection of wine. So next up, let's talk about the powder room. The powder room before was very builder grade, so we wanted to add some drama. We did this with a black pedestal sink along with a bold black and white wallpaper. We added a black geometric light fixture. We capped it off with an oval mirror and gold fixtures. Next up, let's talk about this beautiful kitchen, which we completely transformed. Before, you could see that the kitchen wasn't that old, but it was done on a very limited budget and ended up looking very off the shelf without an island and an old style hood fan. My clients wanted something more bespoke and luxurious, so we put in brand new white cabinetry with a navy blue accent. We did a satin brass custom hood to set it apart. We have an undermount sink, gold fixtures and hardware, and a 3-sided waterfall island. Overall, it's more up to date and beautiful and a more functional space for them to enjoy. Let's move on to the family room. The family room has the right layout and sofa positioning, however, it needed a refresh and elements to make it look more customized and deliberate. Carrying the wood detail from the entrance and stairway, we went with vertical wood slats with an LED feature, which really makes it pop. We also created a storage unit below the TV, which makes the room feel more purposeful and functional as a family room. Now let's take a look upstairs. We did quite a bit of work to the layout to make sure that the master was a more livable space. Before, the clients had a wall dedicated to storage right next to the bed. This made the space feel claustrophobic, and I knew we needed to find somewhere else to put their clothes. We ended up turning the bathroom into a walk-in closet with a makeup vanity and moved the master and second bathroom down along the hallway and pushing the second bedroom towards the end of the home. Overall, we're left with a more functional and beautiful upper floor. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom and the newfound space. We built a green molding detail that climbs the wall and spans the ceiling. We added molding on either side to frame out the space for nightstands and pendant lights. Now the room is so impressive and ready for my client's furniture. For the closet, we now have a his and her closet with custom accessories like jewelry drawers and pant racks. We also have a window which provides a perfect space for a makeup vanity. Having a walk-in closet set apart from the master bedroom makes everything more compartmentalized and clean. Now let's head into the master bathroom. The master bathroom looked to have previously been renovated, but it just wasn't the right style or size for my client. We now have double sinks with a feature shelf that connects into a niche. The wood plays on the wood tile in the shower, while the black and white floors connect back to the entry. Overall, there's a lot more storage and the room feels so luxurious. We also redid the kids' bath with a geometric wall tile and striped floor with black accents. We went with a two-tone vanity along with a fun, irregularly shaped mirror. So now that I've shown you the first 2 floors, let's go take a look at the basement. This space was really large, but just needed a new layout. We removed the majority of the steps to make way for a nice entry into a lowered theater room. We added new storage and wall molding with new wall sconces to make way for the beautiful projector screen. The blue on the wall connects with the rest of the home, and the new paint and vinyl flooring makes the space feel a lot less like a basement and very refreshed. Overall, I had so much fun working on this project and my clients were so pleased when they came into the space. If you want to see more from me, please tap the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video, and I hope to see you on the next one.